You're coming here, Bridget, are you still a wonder with it?
I don't know what it was that I was seeing. Oh my
This
goodness.
guy. Anyways, people, it's Fantasy Premier League time. And we need to talk about it. We need to talk about what is going on in this league here. Let's get the game up real quick. What am I doing? Here we go. All right. So, we're gonna look on the or this or that sports league first. See what's happening. Dale Burrell is still, so me kick him out. I feel like we kick out Dale Burrell. What you say? No, I feel like we kick out Dale Burrell, bro. For real,
A
for real.
bad, a bad man, the man threw him the first.
I'm not bad man, but I don't like him name. I don't like him name. It trigger me.
Bro, freedom of speech, Bridget.
Not that speech, man. Dale Burrell, big up yourself still. You do well. Can't imagine how much you do in Jamaica. Let me check. Must be like top 50 or something.
He was at number one at one point.
All right, so in Jamaica, he's ranked. Can't even see.
You have to go up on the Jamaica rankings and go all the way up on
Oh,
the
you're in
top.
the third in Jamaica, bro. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
That is crazy. So we have a star in our league, boy. I'm still sitting at fourth. The game is going to update, so I might get shot. Where you at? Where you at, fam?
Huh?
13. Oh, why am I for score so much for see, but soon still. Like you have a good week, so you'll come back up. But let's look at the manager of the week. Who do you think is manager of the week? Is it you?
It's not updated, so we can't go tell, but
Can I just check?
I think it's probably going to be me.
Yeah.
Let me take a look at it. I had a pretty good week, but I used my triple captain, so I don't know.
No, man.
I,
It was an awful week for you.
I would have loved if my triple captain could have given me 100 points.
Bro,
Oh
if
no,
it was an awful week. Yeah, you probably, in the grand scheme of things in the game, in the league, you did well. But if you get 70 odd points with a triple captain, that's not great.
Clutch Clutch FC got 100 points. Triple captain
Ooh,
Rashford.
ooh.
He triple captain Rashford.
Yeah, with a
And he
triple captain, when I use your chips, the point is to get 100 or more.
and he had Sa in goal. So Clutch FC, he had Bruno Fernandes in his team as well.
Man, Captain Rashford, bro.
Yeah, so triple captain Rashford and he had Bruno Fernandes in his team. Ooh.
Remember one
So
time we triple captain Salah in a man and get like 60 points of a Salah alone
oh
a
my
couple years
goodness.
ago. Tough. But anyways, this is the manager of the week, Clutch FC, right?
Yeah.
Look at his team, Salah in goal. I don't know why he would go for a Wolves keeper, but it worked. They were playing Leicester City, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So he went again.
Probably had Sa from the get go because I had Sa for a long time because even though Wolves were winning
Yeah.
in the Premier League, they weren't conceding goals at the beginning part of the season.
But you know what?
Sa was
Either
a
way,
push factor.
either way, I'm have greater of Crystal Palace, and that's 6 points right there. So not bad at all. Then Trippier in our backline. I feel like everybody playing fantasy right now have Trippier. And you have to have an Arsenal defender. His Arsenal defender is Saliba. And then him have Luke Shaw, which is not a bad selection by the way. So
I mean, Manchester United had a double week, so I think picking Luke
yeah,
Shaw, if only for this week, it's not
he
a
went
bad
for it.
it's not a bad thing.
No,
Because
but Luke Shaw scored the other week. Clean sheet the other week. So it's not a Luke Shaw's been playing well, but this
yeah,
double week.
I think as a logical person, getting Luke Shaw in your team, if even for the double week only, I don't think that's a bad thing. If even just for the double week only,
Yeah.
I think that's a good decision.
Yeah, not bad at all. The midfield though, Pascal Gross of Brighton, then Rashford, that's his triple captain, so
Yeah.
pretty straightforward there. Rashford scored what 7 games, 7 goals in 7 games. Crazy, crazy. Fernandez with 19 points in double week. They saved this week. Almiron with 3 points, Salah with 2 points, man. Is it time to remove Salah? You have Salah?
How could I have Salah?
I don't know how I still have Salah. I don't
You
know.
still have Salah in your team?
Bro, like, no way. But see, the thing is, I wanted to sell Salah for Kevin De Bruyne, and Kevin De Bruyne blank too. I will get an assist, but
Kevin De Bruyne
nah.
give me some points.
Mitrovic 0 points, and Haaland 8 points. But still, 100. Sometimes I look on a team and I wonder which part 100 points add up to. But it
I think
happens. Let's start with
when
my
when
team.
you see
Let's look
ten,
at
when you
my
see
team.
when you see 10 with the goalkeeper, that's generally a pretty good start. When
Yeah.
your goalkeeper get 10 points and you use your triple captain for Marcus Rashford,
Yeah.
that's something to harp on.
So them 7 points. I went with Nick Pope, Trippier. That's 5 and 9 points. Akanji from Man City with a double week, 2 points. I, I don't think he played the first game, and then today conceded two
Yes, he
goals.
did play the first game.
He did play.
Yes, Akanji would have gotten to that ball had the referees.
Oh yeah. You're right. You're right. Offside. He was a player.
But them just can't keep
So
goals. Them just can't keep goals out of them out of the back of the net.
right now, me need to sell a Man City defender. Ben White is my Arsenal defender, 8 points this week, so it worked out. Salah, we didn't even talk about Salah right now. Liverpool, man, what is going on there? Phil Foden didn't came on in the first game, didn't come on today. It's kind of crazy.
Weird.
Martinelli, 2 points. Martinelli needs to start score some goal again. Almiron with 3 points and Rashford with 12 points. I had Rashford and that's where I got a bulk of my points. Kane with 7 points. I'll take it. And Haaland with 16 points. 8 points, but the double game. I captained him, so I got 16 points. Overall, not a great week, but obviously the aim is to get over 60 points every week. And then I think I like where I finished there. So
I've officially given up on the season.
you give up on what?
On the season. Like a wheel and come again next season.
No, man,
Because
you're not get us so fast. You're not get us so fast.
after using my triple captain and it being unsuccessful, you
Where you
know,
there? Oh, see. Oh. Come, what you have to say for yourself? Talk about your team.
huh?
Talk about your team. What you have to say for yourself right now?
I must say disappointing week, Haaland disappoint me. And I had worried in my goal because Brighton was playing against Liverpool, so I figured that of course Sanchez was going to concede. I went with Saliba as usual. Martinelli failed to help me out. KDB, Akanji, the usual suspects. But that's basically all I have to say about my team.
No, man, you have more to say, man. Say something more.
Huh?
Say
There's,
something
there's,
more, man.
there's not much more to say about this
Stand
team.
up and be a man and
You
say
know,
something more.
obviously, as I said, the usual suspects. Kevin De Bruyne, he chipped in with 5 points, got an assist. Martinelli is not doing the job. I was unsure that Saka might not have played because he had a knock. So I kind of rested Salah, I rested Almiron. And yeah, Haaland never scored in the first game against Man U. So I guess that the usual suspects. Kieran Trippier,
All
everybody
right.
has Trippier.
All right, whatever. Talk about the other players in the team. You spoke about those players twice. Talk about some other players. Let me hear about some other players.
Um, so yeah, as I said, if only for 1 week, Manchester United had a double week and because of some injury concerns and stuff like that, you introduce Luke Shaw, whatever, for a double game week. You remove him immediately after the game week is done, and you just continue moving forward. That
All
seems
right,
like
and
for the
am I
fantasy.
seeing Rashford? Am I seeing what's going on? Am I seeing Harry Kane and Hoiberg? Hoiberg? Talk to me. Hold on. What's going on here? Talk to me.
About what? About what exactly? Like you see, a team is some players in the fantasy are trying to get some points.
Just that.
Yeah, pretty much. I lost
And how
enough.
do you feel about having those players in the team?
Eh?
How do you feel about having those players in the team?
I mean, they're just players at the end of the day, right?
You see, the
That,
worst thing a man can be in life is a hypocrite, bro. That's the worst thing. A great man once said that. The worst thing you can be in life is a hypocrite. With that said, what you have to say for yourself?
about what exactly?
About being a hypocrite, bro?
No, as in hypocrisy, never that.
So now you say you not ever use a Man City or a Man U or a Tottenham player.
I can't recall.
You can't recall?
No.
Alright, since I can't recall, we have something for you. We have something for you. Since I can't recall. Alright, let's send out my video alone. My video alone.
As I said, the usual suspects, you have the likes of Trippier that's in everybody's fantasy. But as I said, people, my triple captain was huge success, and I'm going to blame the shortcomings on my season on a few weeks, Rush sabotaged me actually. Him did a go country and him say, yo bro, forward me could go country. Go, ride some ATV and live some life. Deliberately knowing that I wouldn't get a chance to set up my team. So him kind of do that deliberately for kind of put me off, and I got 30 odd weeks in that game week, and then the other week, some things didn't pan out. Haaland didn't score,
Man, take some accountability in a bridging. I hear a team, you know. And you
and
know,
yes,
the people that same week, I didn't set my team, which is kind of crazy. So what happened? Talk to me.
so anyways, as I was saying, people, so I don't see myself getting back into it again for this season. As good as our FPL managers are.
Anyways, you can done now. Me just have play a video for the people.
Me personally, I refuse to. And the first week, I must admit, shamefully, I had two Manchester United players on my team. But after using my wild card, which I was unfortunately forced to do, I decided that I was not going to have any Man U or any Tottenham people in my team.
Madness.
Because
absolute madness.
There's no way I can be cheering for a Tottenham
absolute
Man U
madness,
player.
bro.
Yeah.
Bro, you have to know if you keep it.
Gunners for life.
No, Arsenal fan first.
Yo,
Well, you can benefit off of Tottenham and beat up a Southampton, bro.
Session so badly. I think he's going to be a fantasy. I think he's going to be good for
Might
this
be a
year's
steal.
fantasy. But I'm not doing it. People, I was this close to
Listen,
kicking him.
I can't make that claim, bro. I'm not going to say that because I promise you, when Hurricane start tear up the league or Sun start tear, I'm already have Kulusevski, so I even need to make a point. I will be benefiting off my rivals.
Joe Mar from this side at Sports TV and hold me to it, people. I will not be using any money.
Too much emotions, people. Too much emotions that probably will cost him. Let's see.
Me personally, I refuse to. And the first week, I must admit, shamefully, I had two Manchester United players on my team. But after using my wild card, which I was unfortunately forced to do, I decided that I was not going to have any Man U or any Tottenham people in my team.
Madness.
Because
absolute madness.
There's no way I can be cheering for a Tottenham
absolute
Man U
madness,
player.
bro.
Yeah.
Bro, you have to know if you keep it.
Yeah, with that said, you watched that video a while ago.
As I said, yeah, you have to caveat certain statements. You know, and one thing about you, I don't think you corroborate. And I don't necessarily think you use your investigative skills as a journalist to get to the very root of certain issues. You know, obviously it was a double game week, and as I said, Saka had a knock and stuff like that. And logically, you know, there were 4 teams. There were 3 teams playing a double week.
Alright, so why did I ignore it? So why you never just say that at the top?
Say what at the top?
When you were speaking about your team, why you never say, people, I am sorry. I am a two-mouth cutlass. I'm a two-side cutlass. Water in my mouth when I talk. Whenever I say something, I don't mean it. I go back on my words all the time. Why you never just say that?
Not like that. I'm not sure of what you speak. As I said, that video was recorded all the way back in August, not even in the same country.
The worst thing a man can be is a hypocrite.
Obviously, in different countries, you have different jurisdictions and you have different meanings to different things. And if he hadn't cut that video, people, you know, like obviously when we were recording, he stopped the recording straight and we closed out the video. And then afterwards, I said that had there been like a double week or something like that, then I might, you know, interject something like. But you're not gonna see that.
Yeah, them say every liar is a thief, every thief is a liar. You know, right now, like I'm a partner with a thief and a liar.
Fake news.
Boy, anyways, people, we just need to do that because I tell him say without him bro, that's not how it work. You know, I said it as the guru, as the star I am. I tell him say, yo, bro, when the man them start performing, I can use them. And it'll come back for Auntie. And see, it did. Him put them in, and I promise you, Hurricane are in my team for the rest of the season. Rashford is going to be in his team for the rest of the season.
Rashford already come out my team.
Well, Hurricane, he's going to go back on his rule for the rest of the season.
Going back to Saka. Going back to Saka because Saka is playing.
And where do Luke Shaw? Where do Luke Shaw?
Luke Shaw gone.
Where do Højbjerg?
Huh?
Where do Højbjerg?
Højbjerg for stay on my team.
All right, and where do Hurricane?
Huh? I'm figuring that out right now. Remember, I know you only have a set amount of substitutions. We can't just make all of them same time. You know, people, obviously.
Bro, one thing I have to say to you, as a man, stand on what you say.
Tell me if you see Højbjerg or
you don't need to show nobody a team. We don't care about your team.
No. Tell me if you see Shaw, Højbjerg, Rashford. Tell me who you see.
Mr. Kane.
It's hard to get rid of him so fast. You want me to use all my points them?
You know what you have to do. But anyways, stand on what you say. As you're bridging, me I tell you, bro, more on the best for you, me I look out for you in a life. Look, me I looking at the camera. But even not look on the laptop screen. Me I looking at the camera right now. When you say what you mean and mean what you say. Do what you say and say what you're going to do.
Always.
Please, my brother.
Always.
Stop embarrassing yourself on the internet, okay?
As I said, You don't know, so, like somebody might have my phone. Who knows? I might have a special lady might take up my phone and play.
Accountability.
I might have my little sister. Like, yeah, you can't know what happened. With that,
Accountability.
as I said, the situation has happened and it has been rectified. Can we move on?
Anyways, bro, I knew that this moment would have come. I didn't know. You see me? I was once in your shoe when I just started the game, overzealous, being too much of a, you know, can't separate fandom from the game. Yeah, all of that. I did it. So, right now, I see a little bit of what me that are doing and where you are right now. So, I get it. And I forgive you, bro. I know this is not a part of your character. I know this is not your personality. I know that this is not you right now. You just got caught up, got overzealous, and this is what happened. So, I forgive you, my brother.
2 teams playing a double week. City, Tottenham, and
Bro,
Man.
just apologize and keep it moving.
It was
Keep
a
it moving.
double
On.
week.
Apologize now, bro.
Apologize for what?
As a man, you come here every week and you beat me. That's why I stay up on this for so long, you know. Every week you come, you beat me. Oh, I'm a better fan than Rush. I'm a better fan than Rush. Oh, this, oh, that. Huff and puff and huff and puff and huff and puff. And I you that, gone back for your words, bro. I forgive you still now, bro. Come on, really want hard feelings, you
It
know.
was a double week. Like there's certain circumstances, extraneous. When I just
Hey,
get
hey. As
I
I
just
say,
get flash
I
for
didn't know say I'm gonna do it in the people. As I say, I need that this moment.
people you might not know. I'm a big fan of Marcus Rashford and Harry Kane.
Ah.
Everybody know this. That I've always been a Hurricane fan. I've always been a champion of Hurricane. Just unfortunate that
You said that on last week's show also when you didn't have them.
Just unfortunate that Hurricane got himself stuck in a bad situation. Same with Marcus Rashford, a good guy. And when everybody was down on Marcus Rashford, I was saying I would take Marcus Rashford at Arsenal 10 days out of 7 days of the week. I would take Rashford any day of the week. And their play has been, has proven me right. So it's just a matter of, I'm a staunch supporter of those players. And as such, if it was only 1 week where there's a double week where 2 of my favorite players could be included in the team, then I just decided to include 2 of my favorite players. But because I'm the fan that I am, they can't stay for too long.
Hey, I forgive you, bro. But going forward, just do what you say. Right? Say what you mean what you say. Don't go back on your words, don't be a hypocrite. And don't be a two-mouth cutlass. When you talk, mean what you say, bro. That's all I have to say. As your bridging. People, beat him in the comment section. And we that. Still the talk. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to this other Sports TV. Do one more thing though.
Share the video to at least 10 people. And if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, then share the video to at least 10 people and get us 6 subscribers. Because if each and every one of you can manage to do that, you know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day, people?
Yeah. People forgive him. I understand. He's a bit distraught today. You know, he had a rough week. Fantasy was awful for him. The shirt, he never does it properly. It was a rough one for him. See that? It wasn't his best episode. People, you don't know already. Still the talk. This other Sports TV.
Every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, so stay tuned.
Yeah.
What do you think about the quality, people? What do you think about the content? You know, I think this show has been a vibe.
Yeah, man, it's a vibe. We like it. And the people them like it too. But for now, peace. We out.